Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Tori and I would love to have you stick around for the rest of this video. So today I'm gonna be doing a review, unboxing, and like first impressions. Can you do first impressions on things that aren't makeup? I guess, I don't know. We'll call this the first impressions because I've never seen it before. On my brand new Gucci belt. So if you guys saw my 19th birthday haul, I'll link it up here if you guys want to check it out after this video. But I received my first Gucci bag for my birthday from my parents. I'm so in love with that bag. And it wasn't even a week later and I ordered another Gucci item. So I thought I would show you guys. Thought it'd be fun, but I still haven't done a full-on review on that bag. If you do want to see a review on my new Gucci bag, or if you want me to do a what's in my purse type of video, give this video a thumbs up or comment down below that you would like to see that video, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. But today's video is dedicated solely to my new Gucci belt. I literally have not opened this at all. I just opened the actual like box that it came in, but it's still intact, as you guys can see. It came around 1 in the afternoon today, and I posted it on my Instagram story. If you guys don't follow me, I have all my socials linked down below. Some of you actually noticed that there's a hair in my eye. Some of you actually noticed that my Twitter handle isn't working right now, and that's because I got locked out of my Twitter account it's a really long story, but I didn't do anything. Twitter is insane and locked me out of my account, so I'm working on getting that back. But in the meanwhile, you can follow me on Instagram. So I posted a picture of the Gucci box, and I said like someone stopped me or something like that, and my friend immediately FaceTimed me and she was like, let me see it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I really want to open it. Like, you're really tempting me, but I gotta wait till video. So I waited for you guys, so you're welcome. And if you don't believe me that this is the first time that I'm seeing this, you can ask my friend, because I really wanted to open it. I've been wanting this belt for well over a year now, and I have you guys to thank too. I got paid for the first time on YouTube 2 weeks ago, a week or two ago, and so I had some birthday money saved up and some YouTube money and work money and stuff like that saved up for this, so I decided to go ahead and purchase this. So thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos, and I literally cannot thank you guys enough. Anyways, I know you guys just want to see the belt or whatever, so without further ado, if you guys want to see a first impressions unboxing and review on the new Gucci belt, then let's go ahead and get started. It came in this big box, and let's see, it came with, oh, Gucci Not Guilty perfume samples? Guilty Not Guilty. Why did I say Gucci Not Guilty? Guilty Not Guilty perfume samples. And then it also came with a Gucci card. I got this with my purse. This is so bad. I literally have made 2 Gucci purchases in like less than a week. This is really bad. Oh, it just comes with like a return label and like information on what I ordered. This is what the box looks like. Like I said, I have not opened it at all. Obviously, the bow's still on it, so you guys would be able to tell. Hold on, I gotta take a picture of it real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh my gosh, this is literally insane. This box is different than the box that I got for my purse. This one's way more square, and my other one's a more rectangular shape. So I think that's really nice that no matter how much you spend, they still give you the nice little black and white box with the bow. I really like that about them. I mean, you honestly deserve it. It's quite expensive, but okay, so the bow is off. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Okay, so it's got the nice little wrapping paper on it, and I'm gonna try not to tear it. So when you get through the paper, it comes in the nice little dust bag, and I have a dust bag for my purse, and I love it. I just think it is so amazing looking. I really, really like it. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is what the belt looks like. Isn't it pretty? This is so anticlimactic. I'm so sorry. It's huge. How do I? Oh, no. Oh my gosh. Well, I can just slide it on through. What just fell? So this is what she looks like. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try not to freak out because you will probably get annoyed at me. But this, you guys, is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So I think this is actually called the black leather with antique brass shiny, I think this is what it said online, and it's the double G belt, and this is the 1.5 inch belt. So they have a smaller one. It's quite a bit skinnier, like width wise, and then the double G is a lot less flashy. So if you are looking into getting a Gucci belt but you don't want to be like in your face like, ooh, I have Gucci, then the smaller one is so cute and simple, and it's just very classy and elegant, and I really, really like that one too. It was a hard decision, but I decided to go with the thicker one because I just think, I don't know, I just like the thicker one. But like I said, 1.5 inch. You can wear this on your waist or your hip is what it said online. They also have an extra wide one, and that's more of like a waist belt that you wear like if you have a cute little jacket on or a top, or if you're wearing a dress and you want to cinch in your waist. It's like extra, extra wide. So this technically is like the medium size, but really the large size. So you can get this in the crocodile leather version. I just got like the smooth black leather. They have a reversible leather one, which is like $100 more expensive. They have blush color, they have a white color, they have a brown color. Like I said, they have the skinnier versions, they have pearl embellished ones, they have so many. So if you are interested in getting a Gucci belt but you don't like mine or something, definitely check out the website because there's so many options. Like, it's very overwhelming. I'm so in love with this. It feels really, really good. Obviously it's real leather, like it should feel good and nice. But yeah, so if you guys are wondering what size I got, I ended up getting the 80 centimeter, I think is what it's called. Yeah, 80. So the sizing is super, super weird. So please, please do your research before you order one online. A lot of people will order it online and then have to keep returning it. And I haven't actually tried this on yet, so that might be case for me, but looking at it right now, it looks like it's gonna fit. So I have the 80 centimeter, and I am a US size 2 to 4 in pants, anywhere from 2 or a 4, it just depends. And then, or I'm a 25 or 26. It just really depends on like the brand of jeans that I'm wearing or pants or whatever. So that's my size reference for you guys. I could have done like a 75 like around the waist, but I do want to wear it like with low rise stuff too. So I decided to get an 80 and just have more room and stuff. But it only comes with 5 little holes, but you can make more if you need it tighter or looser, it just depends. So I am going to try this on for you guys, so I'll be right back. It fits, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am absolutely in love with it. It fits perfectly. I have it in the second to last slot. I actually could move it probably to the tightest slot. No, I have it into the third to last. Okay, so I've got some room. This fits perfectly. I'm so glad I got this size. So now I have it on the second to tightest slot. So when I do wear it like up higher, these are high-waisted pants, just so you guys know. So when I wear like lower rise stuff, it definitely will have to go looser down here. But when I do wear it, like if something's like really, really high-waisted and I want to wear it like more at my waist, probably will have to put it on the tightest. But this is the perfect size for me. I got so, so lucky when choosing this. So now that I tried it on for you guys, I will give you my final thoughts on it. I'm so in love with it. Like, literally fits perfect. I got so lucky on the sizing. Oh my gosh, I was really afraid I was gonna have to return it and stuff, but I'm not going to have to. It fits perfect, and I'm obsessed with it. You guys will see me wear it probably all the time. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna wear it a lot because I paid a lot of money for it and I want to get good use out of it. Obviously, I've been wanting this for a really long time, so please don't hate on me, or I don't really care what you do. Let me know what you guys think about this belt down in the comments below. Also, I do own a fake Gucci belt. I ordered it kind of not knowing whether it was real or fake, but I got it in the spring, and I've worn it 2 to 4 times. It looks really real. I don't know if it's, I'm pretty sure it's fake because of the price tag. I got it for like less than $100. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's fake. So I just, you know, I didn't really care. I knew that it might be fake, so I was like, well, I'll just try it out instead of going ahead and spending $500 on a belt. Let me just try it out and see if I'll wear it, and I loved it, so I decided to purchase the bigger one. Fake one is actually like quite a little bit thinner, so it's the thinner version. So if you guys want, I will do a fake versus real Gucci belt comparison. If you guys want to see it, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up or leave it down in the comments below that you want to see that. Or like I said, if you want to see my Gucci bag review or what's in my bag, just let me know in the comments down below. But I would definitely be happy to make all those videos for you guys, or whichever ones you want to see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I post a new video. And I love you guys so much, and I will hopefully see you very soon in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.